स्टार्ट ऐसे ही हुआ था कि मेरी इज्जत नहीं होती, थोड़ी इज्जत करें लोग, तो मुझे अचीव करना है.
इन हाइंडसाइट मुझे ऐसा लगता है,
Because
बट उस वक्त मैंने आई डिडंट नो विद क्लैरिटी कि ऐसा क्यों कर रहा हूँ.
मे बी यू न्यू ना, क्योंकि एक क्लास में एक बार आप चीटिंग करके टीचर के साथ आप थर्ड आ गए एंड यू डिड सम व्हाटएवर यू अचीव्ड, एंड उसी दिन उस टाइम पे आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड बन गई, दोस्त बन गए, घर में तारीफ हो गई. सो यू गॉट सम वैलिडेशन ना कि अचीवमेंट से तारीफ होती है और लोग सुनते हैं तुम्हारी बात.
हाँ, बट वो भी अब मैं हाइंडसाइट में बोल रहा हूँ कि ये ऐसा हुआ था, लॉजिकल ये हुआ था, राइट. उस वक्त लाइफ वाज जस्ट हैपनिंग. आई डिडंट कॉन्शियसली थिंक कि ये करना है, क्यों करना है, मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं इसलिए ऐसा करूँ. आई थिंक यू गाइज नो, your age generation knows this a lot more about yourself. At our age we knew nothing about ourselves when we were 20s, teens, nothing, zero self, कुछ भी नहीं होती थी awareness.
Even we know jack shit about life, we are just better at pretending. It's just, we're just trying to make sense out of our life, but
at least not. You know words like anxiety, but we didn't even know words like that back then.
You know, there's a research कि really big public figures and celebrities and founders जो स्टैमर करते हैं, उनको सोशल एंजाइटी होती है कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे और मुझे कैसे जज करेंगे. डू यू थिंक इट्स ट्रू इन योर केस? नो, कभी सोचते नहीं हो कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में?
मतलब ठीक है, सोच लें.
तो इससे लेना देना नहीं.
फाइन, या
बट ओके, सो स्टैमर हैज नथिंग टू डू विद एंजाइटी.
नो,
it's just been there forever.
It's just been there forever, and I've just like consciously avoided being in situations where the nervousness of that stammer would make me fall sick, for example. तो मतलब I have sometimes said yes to conferences कि अच्छा मैं आ जाऊँगा, feeling brave, and then 2 days before I used to fall sick. Okay, this was my body revolting against that thing that I had to do 2 days from now. So now I just like stop saying yes to anything. I was like, क्यों करना है, छोड़ो.
So when you were a kid, non-achiever, किसी को कोई मतलब नहीं, कोई सुन नहीं रहा है, छोटे हो, बुली हो रहे हो रोज़, घर वाले भी sort of package में part बना रहे हैं, right? What was going on in your head? What used to go? What do you think? कि उस टाइम पे क्या चलता था? मैं useless हूँ कि मैं फोड़ के दिखाऊंगा?
Yeah, I don't think, as much as I know, I don't think that I have ever thought about the long term. I have always been focused on the next day or the next week. So which also comes down to building companies.
Okay.
तो मतलब अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे Zomato की next 10-year vision क्या है, I don't know. So we are very much focused on these are the problems we need to solve. Let's just solve them. तो
बचपन से ऐसे हो?
बचपन से ही 1 week ahead देखा है मैंने, उसके आगे नहीं देखा है.
And do you feel inferior अभी?
In what sense?
In any sense. Have you ever got an inferiority complex that maybe I'm not good enough, maybe someone's better than me?
Imposter syndrome तो चलता रहता है मतलब.
क्या होता है? Explain imposter syndrome for you. What is it?
Imposter syndrome is like कि you got here. Were you actually good enough to get here, right? So, or because you know whatever you do, success किसी का भी होता है ना, तो there is like a huge element of luck in it.
Yeah.
Like you can't dissociate luck from anybody's success.
Agreed.
People don't like to say that, but that's true for everybody. So when you consciously think of, oh, I got lucky in so many places, and then you get all the like credit for building this, it sometimes feel like थोड़ा सा dystopian सा लगता है कि यार ये मैच नहीं कर रहा है ये सब कुछ.
Tell me one place where you think in hindsight कि जहाँ पे you have gotten absolutely lucky, one incident.
I think that my introvert nature, and this all like comes with like me stammering, Asperger's, ये सारा कुछ, like the combination. I have a very like introvert nature. I think I got extremely lucky with that. So
क्यों? Why do you think it's feeling of, why is it a feeling that कि ये बहुत अच्छी लक है यार कि मैं इंट्रोवर्ट था, मैं बुली हुआ, वाह ये कैसी फीलिंग है?
हर चीज़ के प्रोज एंड कॉन्स होते हैं. आई थिंक सो द काइंड ऑफ connections or relationships that I've had with people, right? So they run very deep. So like Zomato is a system built on trust, right? So the people trust me, I trust them. So I mean, the kind of rapport we share is not something that you see in companies. So, and that comes from me being just me, right? So, and that introvert nature, like I open up very easily. Vulnerable hone mein, it doesn't take me that much effort to be vulnerable in front of anyone. So, and that builds bonds, and those bonds last forever. So, I think I've been very lucky with that around me.
True. Do you think your father, in the beginning, when you started Zomato, उन्होंने आप पे ट्रस्ट किया होगा कि यार ये तो कर लेगा कुछ, कि नहीं उनको डाउट ही होगा?
So when I quit my job, he actually sent me 2 lakhs, which was almost all his savings, to let me run this business.
Okay.
None of us knew उस वक्त startups क्या होती हैं, valuations क्या होती हैं, no idea, right? So and we're like, अच्छा कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, करके देख लेते हैं, बेटा है, okay, if I don't back him, who else would I back, right? So I think he had, and it must have been a mix of confidence and fear. I don't know.
बट कभी उन्होंने ऐसे बोला है कि यार इतने एम्बिशियस नहीं होते, इतना मत उड़ो तुम, बिकॉज टीचर थे वो, राइट? तो एक टीचर के लिए ये सोचना और कॉम्प्रिहेंड करना कि मेरे बेटे ने एक अच्छे IT में गया, बहुत बढ़िया जगह नौकरी मिली, और वो छोड़ के ये क्या मेन्यू कार्ड स्कैन कर रहा है.
आई डोंट थिंक मैंने बताया उनको मैं कर भी क्या रहा हूँ और क्यों कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
तो ही वाज लाइक अच्छा कुछ कर रहा है. एंड देखो, माय मॉम एंड डैड हैव प्रोबब्ली लाइक have had restaurant food 20 times in their life. Correct. So they didn't even know this space, like they don't understand this. So they're like ठीक है कुछ कर रहा होगा, it's fine.
And how was your relationship when you were a kid with them? Mom के साथ, dad के साथ?
Yeah, I think so. I actually got out of home when I was 15 years old.
Okay.
So 15 years old and 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, hostel. So I've been disconnected since forever. So we as a family are connected. We are close, but we're not like
रहे नहीं
साथ में, हम अलग ही रहे हैं तब.
Does it bother you?
Never have the time to think about it here. I actually don't think about these things. It's like अभी क्या काम है, करते हैं, काम खत्म करते हैं. I'm very much focused on the now.
Mom, dad अब साथ में रहते हैं?
They live very close by, so
okay, you keep visiting them.
I keep visiting them.
And you never think कि maybe साथ में रहते तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता, नहीं होता, all of that?
Me and my dad can't put up with each other.
Why? Tell me this.
I mean, the apple doesn't fall very far from the tree. Ziddi मैं भी हूँ, वो भी है, and you put us in the same room, like if we have a difference of like opinion about something, it just like blows up. So
tell me an incident जहाँ पे हुआ, लड़ाई कर ली दोनों ने.
It's very simple things. कि this was a couple of years ago. ये गाड़ी क्यों ले ली? तू पैसे बहुत करता है खर्च. I was like, पापा ले ली, मन किया था. I was having a bad day. You had a bad day और तूने 3 करोड़ की गाड़ी ले ली. तू पागल हो गया, तू निकल जाओ तू यहाँ से, मेरी शक्ल मत दिखा. And he's like got like furious at it. And then I also got furious first, and then I hugged him. It's cool. It doesn't matter. Chill. The car will sell for the same money whenever it wants to.
That's you making up shit. It's not going to sell for the same price.
More or less. You have to make up shit also.
So even today he has these problems.
Yeah. I mean,
तो अब तो बेटा मतलब इतना बड़ा हो गया, इतने पैसे कमा रहा है, तो 2-3 करोड़ से फर्क थोड़ी पड़ेगा.
I think it's about the mindset, and I also still have that mindset. मैं पैसा फेंकता नहीं हूँ, more or less. तो
Nice. What is one thing जहाँ पे फेंका हो पैसा?
I think the only place जहाँ पे I really feel that I wasted money is buying cars.
क्यों?
I don't drive them. They're just those like childhood dream of buying toys. So having a bad day, emotionally ups and downs chalte rehte hain, right? So sometimes you're feeling vacuum, and then I buy them. Luckily, cars also sell for almost the same price. These ones,
The cars that you buy.
हाँ.
So
Sometimes more than the price.
because rarely.
Yeah.
कभी